nice. Bird of paradise. Maybe. Oh, I like this. I like the like northern plant like things. I don't know. Maybe because I'm in Florida, I like the northern ones. I grew up in plants like that, so that's what I'm looking at. I like these. I like these little ones. Yep, there you go. We found a spot for you. Oh, look at that. Calla lily. Very nice. Background stamp. Big giant mother of a background stamp. Apparently never used it. Background stamp. Oh, it's so big. That's the problem. I mean, I can do a repeating design with a small stamp to get background, and I don't have to take up that much room in my little stamp drawer. Yep, you gotta stay. You're a bug. Bug and leaf. Yeah, you gotta stay. All right, we have made it to the bottom of another one. Another one. Another one. Are you still with me, or did you pass out and decide to go get some chips? That's okay with me. All right, here we go. And so I have not, what have I not created? I have not created my science one yet, or my fairy cherub angel one yet. So let's do the science one. Okay. All right. Okay, we'll put the heart. Oh, you don't have the heart there, so I have to stamp it. Oh, get a piece of paper, Pam. You know you have them. All right, I'll get it. You insist. Put some ink on it. I don't even think you've ever used it. Look, it's way too clean. Maybe I wiped it off. Maybe that was back in the day when I actually wiped off stamps. I did at one point. Then I gave up. Oh, that's cool. All right, you want to see it? See it up close? It's cool, huh? Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, I had, oh well, too bad. I'll just have to print some more out. All right. Here we go. Where'd you go? There you are. Okay. I'm going to make you smaller. Smaller. Yeah, this is really cool. I mean, who doesn't love that? I mean, does that freak you out? It doesn't freak me out, but I think it looks pretty cool. The anatomy of the heart. So that would be like a cool kind of scientific, maybe expedition journal, science-y kind of journal, but you know, science wonders. There, that's cool. There we go. We have that. Where's the brains? Give me the brains. Brains. There we go. What else we got? We got all these. Let's get them in here. We'll put these spacey ones at the back. We'll put the anatomical ones at the front. Spine. Oh, you've got a skull. A little brain. There we go. There's my little brain. No laughing. Here's some creepy hands. Skeletal hands. Science. Here's a world, so that can go back there. Planety stuff. And that's all the planety stuff, so we're getting good. So we're just down to fairies, cherubs, and angels, which will be one strange category at some point. All right, we must grab again. Are you ready? Are you still in this with me? I'm going in. Oh, yank pull. Okay, we're almost done. Almost. Well, not quite. We might not be able to finish all this today. We might have to carry on next time. A heart. That should go with the backgrounds, I think. Okay, so we'll put that there. Okay, flower, we got to keep... Oh, this vintage lady, isn't she cool? She's just like, I'm all that. Look at me. You're totally staying with the vintage. Oh, a butterfly. It's one of my favorite butterfly stamps. See, I didn't know where this was. Okay, putting you with there. Oh, yep, one of those. Yep, oh, nope, sorry. There's two of those. Yep, you know where you go. In this other drawer. Getting kind of full in there. Oh, yeah, getting sure you open and close. Oh, boy. Oh, this is cool. I love that. I totally forgot I had that. I would say that would be a backgroundy kind of stamp. Okay, that's vintage. Heartfelt. Not a biggie. You can go in the garage. Whimsical flower. Not so much. Never a big fan of this. I don't know why. Yeah, off you go. Oh, boy. Look at that big thing coming up. Oh, viney leaves absolutely must stay. Maybe. What's that? Oh, it's a mailbox. No, I can let you go. Stars, I can let you go. Flower. Maybe. Oh, this is like a cool, no, I don't need that. This I love. Yes, this must stay. This must stay. Yes. You have to keep some variety, Pam. Just don't keep all the same stuff. It's very important to have a little variety. What's that? Bug. Oh, we got a little fly. A fly. Shoes. I think shoes would be cute in vintage, so we'll put them there. Oh, yep, love this flower. Yeah, no, that's not flower. You gotta go there. What are you? Oh, here's my another fave fern. No, gotta get a new thing for you. This is very lovely, very big, but very lovely and very big. Apparently, I don't think I maybe used it once or something. I don't know. I think you're too big. I just got to get rid of these big ones because they're just too big. This is cute, but it's too big. It just takes up too much room. It has to go to the garage. To the garage with you. You're all going to topple over, I can tell. All right. What else we got here? Background of music. Now, if I keep this background of music, I could let the other background of music go. So let me put that in the land of possibility. Here's another one of those flowers. You need that like a hole in the head. Here's some hearts. Put those with the other hearts. All right, over the hill and still running wild. Yep, that's reality, but I can let you go. I don't need to be reminded you. I do like this. My number 7, very mysterious. Put you with the background stamps. Okay, what are you? Some kind of weird teapot? Nope, can live without you. Yep, can totally live without you. Yep, can live without you. Oh, dragonfly. I can live without you. I have other dragonflies. Yeah, I can live without you. Oh, bee. Gotta keep you. Okay, what are you? No, I can live without you. What are you? A strawberry. Oh, I do like that. Plant. Spider. Yeah, that would be good for Halloween, so we gotta keep that. This I like. That kind of stuff, I like that. Okay, that goes with plant. Is this ever gonna work? Happy birthday? Man, probably should always keep one of those. It's gonna be kept in the garage. Here's a little tree. That's cute. What are you, little guy? You're a little angel. Okay, we have an angel category. Little tree. Bug. Bug alert. All right, put your face up. Bug bee. Oh, that's a weird thing. There's a little ant. Oh, bug. Butterfly. Ant, bug, butterfly. Okay, keep you guys all there. That's like a caterpillar. We don't need that. It's a little house. Don't need that. And the last one, guess what? It's a little bug. Maybe I have too many bugs. Hi, honey. He just went grocery shopping. We have more food. Yay. Okay, so that's clean. Now what? Okay, I should put some of the plant-like things in here. The definite keeps. Oh, I really like that. Okay, you're definitely staying. And you're definitely staying. Who's definitely staying? I would like you. You're definitely staying too. Oh, I put all the definitely stayings. These guys won't fit. You can go there. I do like you. I do like you. Who else? You're very nice. Flowers. Flowers. A lot of these flowers are starting to look the same, Pam. Okay, you get to stay there. We're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. Who's going to fit? Who's going to be sacrificed? Like a sacrificial lamb. Going out. Nope. Yeah, there we go. Okay, here we are. There we go. Okay, who's going to stay? Oh, you're staying. So, you come across the ones and you're like, oh, yeah, you're totally staying. Just get in there and hop in before anybody says anything. Okay, you can stay. What are you? You're a little strawberry, yeah. We want you. If I could Rubik's Cube this better, I would be able to keep more. So I got to keep the mushroom. Got to keep the pumpkin. What about the pear? And there's this guy. He has to stay. Oh. Okay. Well, that's what we got so far. Oh, there's a bug. Let me put the bug away. Okay, that's a spider bug. All right. Well, we have 3 drawers left of this particular unit. All right. Okay, let's see what we got. All right, how's this going to be? It's going to be something. All right, we might have to pause and continue next time because it's getting kind of long and we got a ways to go yet. You know what I mean? All right, why don't we do that? We will pause. We'll give everybody a break. Go have some snacks. And I'll see you next Friday. And hopefully we'll finish this. So yeah, some jobs are bigger than others. And this is a big one. This is a big one. But I can show you what we have completed today. We have completed this plant drawer. And I'm going to put all the plant drawers on this side because I use plants a lot. Okay, that's an animal drawer. That's an animal drawer. Oh, that's a background drawer. No. There's a plant drawer. Okay. Here's a plant drawer. Okay, this guy's not perfect, but he's in there. All right. He's going in. Oh, and I'll show them to you when I get them all in there. Okay, so who else? Here's another plant drawer. Guess what? Another plant drawer. Another plant drawer. La 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 la. Just seeing if there's a small one that'll fit in here somewhere. Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, who can we get in here? You? We can get you in there. Oh, we can get you in there? That would be neat. Oh, yeah. You in there. Okay, we got 2 more in. Yay! So we have this one. All right. It really is better. It's like a million times better when they are only 1 level deep. It is. Okay, I'm just going to say that out loud. And with veracity, it is better. It is better. It is better. Because then you can grab and go. None of that rustle fussle. Okay, so there's 4 stamp drawers. Okay, we haven't fixed you yet. So what are you? Let's see. Should we do a background drawer above the words? Maybe, huh? Yeah, okay, here's my background drawer. Okay, what else did I want to put in background? I think I wanted to put that in there. What are you? That's an angel. Oh, and the heart. You're going to have to stand up because you're just not going to fit otherwise. Unless, yeah, maybe. Okay, no, you're going to have to go in there. That's all just the way it is. Okay, we have that background drawer. We'll see. I don't know if you've earned your keep, background drawer. We will just see. All right, what else do we have? We have 1 more drawer that can go there. So we have plants and animals, science. Oh, here's more plants. Okay, yeah, we got to put plants in here. Okay, plants. That means I'm going to move background drawer. I'm going to put background drawer on the other side, and I'm going to put oddballs on the other side. Okay, so background drawer is going to go up top. Let me swing you over so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, that's what I'm working on. I guess it would be nice if you could see around what I'm working on. Yeah, I'll put that there. Okay, that's reality. All right, so there's background drawer. And these are like plant-like things, plant-like things, plant-like things, plant-like things. Oh, and those are my small ditties, which we did before. Okay, and these are, okay, so we should move small ditties lower, down above words. Yeah, so they're all together. And then one more, all the plant-like things. These are all plant-like things. This was probably going to be another plant-like thing. Okay, so then we have, oh, that was my water bottle. We have vintage, can go below borders and background stamps. And then we have, oh yeah, get the animals going. Get the animals going. Here comes the animals. Whoop, there's an animal at my foot right now. Here's animals. And I know there's one sitting up high, and I'm going to make him fit somewhere else, so he's not going to live there forever. I know you caught me on that. I see it. I do. Okay, let me just put these bug stamps all together. Bug stamp, bug stamp. Bug stamp, bug stamp. I have more room in bugs and animals here. So that's good. All right. This is science and astronomy. Go there. What are you? Not done yet. Not done yet. Not done yet. And then again, not done yet. Can't even open that one. Okay, we're going to work on that one next time. Okay, so I'm going to move that pile to the garage. Going to keep working on that. Say hello to little Sunny Boo. Hi, Sunny Boo. Yep, hi. Oh, yeah. What are you eating? What are you eating? That's the way it goes around here. Okay, everybody. So if you find value or had fun here, please like, subscribe, and share. Click the notification bell to be notified of videos. I have an Amazon store, an Etsy shop, and a free monthly emailed newsletter. All the links are down below. My videos come out Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Saturdays at 7 a.m. Eastern Time. My podcasts come out Tuesdays and Thursdays. And I have playlists linked down below at the end of the video as well, and on my channel. And I am found on Instagram, Pinterest, Etsy, Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook. Come and join the Facebook group. We're having a lot of fun over there. And remember that fun can be simple, and you can organize this big mess and create with reckless abandon again. Yay! Bye!